The Winans Crossing Robotics Campus represents a paradigm shift in industrial typology, rejecting the traditional closed-box factory in favor of a geo-industrial synthesis that merges high-tech manufacturing with public civic space. Situated in Winans Crossing, New Jersey, this facility functions not merely as a production plant for advanced robotics, but as a regenerative landscape, effectively concealing its massive industrial footprint beneath a rolling, accessible topography. The design ethos is one of absolute integration, where the machine resides within the earth and the human occupies the garden above. The project proposes a future where industry does not displace nature, but rather is subsumed by it, creating a hybrid condition that is both economically productive and ecologically restorative. The master plan is defined by its refusal to dominate the skyline. Instead, the architecture acts as a terraform. The primary massing of the building is articulated as a series of sinuous, organic ribbons that weave through the site, mimicking the natural contours of the New Jersey terrain. The defining feature of the exterior is the expansive, accessible green roof system. This living skin is not merely ornamental but functional, hosting a photovoltaic array that powers the facility while simultaneously managing stormwater runoff and reducing the heat island effect. The transition between the built environment and the park is dissolved through the use of tiered amphitheater-style stone seating that cascades from the building's plinth down to the water's edge. These limestone terraces serve as public gathering spaces, blurring the security perimeter of the factory with the leisure of a community park. To the west, an intricate hedge maze introduces a geometric counterpoint to the organic curves of the building, a playful physical manifestation of the algorithmic logic being developed inside the labs. The landscape is further activated by a network of boardwalks crossing naturalistic ponds, inviting the community to engage with the site's ecology. The above-ground structures, housing the Randon D offices and visitor centers, are constructed primarily of mass timber, cross-laminated timber and glulam, signaling a commitment to low-carbon construction. The facades are wrapped in a continuous curtain wall of high-performance glass, rhythmically punctuated by vertical timber fins and robust timber columns that flare at the top to support the overhanging roof, detailed in Image 6. These fins provide solar shading and visual texture, creating a warm, amber glow during twilight hours that contrasts with the cool blues of the sky. The curvilinear geometry of the office wings embraces central courtyards, creating protective enclosures for staff while maximizing views of the surrounding woodland. The use of natural stone at the base anchors the timber structure, giving it a sense of permanence and geological connection, effectively creating a stylobate that lifts the delicate timberwork above the damp earth. Beneath the pastoral calm of the roof garden lies the geo-industrial heart of the campus. The manufacturing floor is a vast, subterranean cathedral of concrete and raw bedrock. By burying the heavy industry, the architects have achieved immense thermal stability and noise isolation. The structural ceiling is a brutalist masterpiece of coffered concrete waffle slabs designed to span immense distances without columns, allowing for the unencumbered movement of automated guided vehicles, AGVs, and large-scale robotic arms. Remarkably, these underground spaces are not devoid of light. Large, structural skylights pierce the earth above, visible as glass elements integrated into the parkland, dropping shafts of natural daylight onto the factory floor. This connection to the sky prevents the bunker effect, maintaining a circadian rhythm for the technicians monitoring the assembly lines. The walls in several sections are left as exposed, rough-hewn bedrock, creating a stark, poetic contrast between the ancient geology of New Jersey and the futuristic yellow-painted articulation of the robotic assembly arms. The transition between the underground factory and the upper offices is mediated by central atriums. These spaces are characterized by a warm, biophilic aesthetic. A monumental spiral staircase, crafted from bent timber, acts as the vertical circulation spine, winding upwards through a void flooded with light from a large circular oculus in the green roof. The interior palette is strictly controlled, polished concrete floors for durability, warm oak paneling for acoustic dampening, and abundant indoor planting that cascades from upper levels and fills planters at the base. The workspace is designed to be open and collaborative, with the timber structural grid left exposed to celebrate the engineering. The synthesis of nature and machine is complete. Robotics engineers work in a space that feels more like an arboretum than a factory, overlooking the very parkland they are helping to preserve. The Winans Crossing Robotics Campus challenges the binary distinction between nature and industry. It proves that a site can simultaneously support heavy manufacturing and delicate ecosystems. By burying the noise and bulk of the factory, the project gifts the surface back to the community, creating a landmark that is as much a public park as it is a beacon of the Fourth Industrial Revolution. This is architecture as alchemy, turning the gray infrastructure of industry into the green infrastructure of the future.